Atlas Copco presents the LMS 8 series. The LMS 8 series is the new impact series made for the industrial Super Duty segment. Due to the patented GRS system, the LMS 8 has improved performance, durability and service characteristics. The typical procedure for testing impact wrenches is to run the tool on a Skidmore-Wilhelm device for 5 seconds. As the graph shows, to reach 270 kilonewtons of clamping force takes 2.5 seconds for the Atlas Copco LMS 58, but 5 seconds for the corresponding competitor tool. The benefits are shorter operating time and greater clamp load. The LMS 8 is also lighter compared to equal-sized competitor tools. The result is an excellent power-to-weight ratio. Regarding ergonomics, the LMS 8 generates low vibration levels. Conventional impact requires frequent grease refill to maintain performance. The LMS 8 series has the patented GRS system, which keeps the grease within the impact mechanism. LMS 8 series tools should be overhauled after 100,000 tightenings.